Welcome back, and thank you for coming to African Metaphysical Center for Spiritual Healing, Body, Mind, and Spirit Development. I am your host, Kufama Ra, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, Qigong instructor, Bond practitioner, and mystic. Today's topic is consciousness has no color, a call for unity. Today, I want to dive deeper into a concept that's been on my mind lately, inspired by an insightful interview with Dr. Grier and Bill Carson. Consciousness has no color. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a profound truth that can transform our world, because a lot of people don't seem to know this right now. I created a few videos on this topic, and I can't stress enough how important it is for us to understand this is a collective. When we acknowledge that consciousness transcends race, culture, and background, we open the door to a reality where we can create a more harmonious world collectively. Why this matters? 1. Awareness beyond division. In today's society, we often find ourselves caught in the chaos of division, politics, race, and ideology. But what if we realize that at our core, we are all part of one consciousness? Our thoughts, feelings, and experiences connect us in ways that defy labels. When we see past the surface, we can understand each other on a deeper level. 2, creating together. Imagine a world where we focus on what unites us rather than what divides us. When we collectively recognize that our consciousness is colorless, we can shift our energies toward creation rather than conflict. The beauty of our shared existence lies in our ability to collaborate and innovate. Number 3, empathy as a catalyst. Empathy is a superpower. When we embrace the idea that subconsciousness has no color, we cultivate compassion. We begin to listen to each other's stories, recognizing that our struggles and triumphs are not so different. This empathy can inspire action, leading to meaningful change in our communities. Number 4, a call to action for doubters. To those who might disagree with this premise, I urge you to reflect. Think about how division has impacted your life. Are we not all seeking love, understanding, and connection? Embracing the idea of colorless consciousness does not erase our differences. Rather, it celebrates them while reminding us that our essence is the same. Number 5, manifesting a new reality. When we understand this concept, we can begin to manifest a new reality together. The chaos we see today is a result of fragmentation and misunderstanding. By shifting our focus to unity, we can create a future filled with possibility and peace. Don't get me wrong and think I'm naive for thinking this way. I know there are a lot of soulless ones out there that will fight this tooth and nail, but they won't win because the universe and source itself is on our side. Join the conversation. Let's spark a dialogue. How has your perception of consciousness influence your views on unity? What steps can we take to bridge divides in our communities? Share your thoughts in the comments or send me a private message. It seems a lot of you prefer to do that for some reason. Remember, we are all part of the same cosmic flow, and together we can create a world that reflects our highest potential. Let's rise above the chaos and embrace the beauty of our shared consciousness. The universe and our brothers and sisters out in the cosmos would love to see this. So until next time, thanks for stopping by. Ashe, ashe, ashe.